Good morning class 6 student. Subject Maths and NCERT. Chapter 12. Ratio and Proportional. Exercise 12.1. In previous video we have done 12.1. Question number 10. So from this video we will start from question number 11. Question number 11 is, out of 1800 students in a school, 750 opted basketball, 800 opted cricket, and remaining opted table tennis. If a student can opted only one game, find the ratio of. So first, total number of students 1800, number of students opted basketball 750, number of students opted cricket 800. Therefore, number of students opted tennis, we add both game and subtract from 1800. 1800 minus 750 plus 800. 250 is opted tennis. First is number of students who opted basketball to the number of students who opted table tennis. So ratio of students opted basketball to that of opted table tennis, 750 upon 250. Now cancel from 250, 750 3 times, 250 1 time. The ratio 1. Option B, number of students who opted cricket to the number of students opting basketball. So ratio of student opted cricket to student opted basketball 800 upon 750. So 16 upon 15 ratio. Now C, number of students who opted basketball to the total number of students. So ratio of student opted basketball to total number of students 750 upon 800. Now cancel from 150 5 upon 12. So 5 ratio 12 is answer. Question number 12. Cost of a dozen pen is 180 and cost of 8 ball pens is 56 rupees. Find the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen. So cost of a dozen, 1 dozen pen. So 1 dozen matlab 12 pens, 180. Cost of 1 pen, 180 divided by 12, rupees 15. Cost of 8 ball pens, 56 rupees. Then cost of 1 ball pen, 56 divided by 8, 7 rupees. So ratio of cost of 1 pen to that of 1 ball pen. So 15 upon 7. 15 ratio 7 is answer. Question number 13. Consider the statement ratio of breadth and length of a hall is 2:5. Complete the following table that shows some possible breadth and length of the hall. So breadth is given 10, length is given 25. So 2:5, 2 upon 5. Other equivalent ratio are 2 upon 5 multiplied 10 upon 10. So 20 upon 50. Next 20 upon 20, 40 upon 100. So breadth of the hall 10, 20 and 40. The length of the hall 25, 50 and 100 is answer. Question number 14. Divide 20 pens between Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio 3:2. So ratio between Sheila and Sangeeta 3:2. Total these sums 3 plus 2 5. Therefore part of Sheila 3 upon 5 of the total pen, part of Sangeeta 2 upon 5 of the total pen. So Sheila get 3 upon 5 and total number of pen ratio 20. So we cancel 20 from 5 4 times, 40 and 12. Sangeeta gets 2 upon 5 multiplied 20. Again we cancel 20 from 5 4 times, 4 multiplied 2 8 pens. Question number 15. Mother wants to divide rupees 36 between her daughter Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their age. If age of Shreya is 15 years and age of Bhumika is 12 years, find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get. So ratio of the age of Shreya to that of Bhumika 15 upon 12. Cancel from 3, 15 5 times, 12 4 times, 5:4. Thus 36 will be divided between Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio 5:4. So Shreya get 5 upon 9 of 36. So cancel 36 9 from 9 4 times, 4 5 is 20 rupees. Bhumika get 4 upon 9 of 36. Again we cancel 36 from 9 4 times, 4 4 is 16. Question number 16. Present age of father is 42 years and that of his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of. So A part is present age of father to the present age of son. So ratio of father's present age to that of son 42 upon 14. So from cancel 14, 42 3 times, 14 1 time. 3 ratio 1. B part age of the father to the age of son when son was 12 years old. When son was 12 years, that is 2 years ago. Then father was 42 minus 2, 40 years, and ratio of their ages 42.12. So cancel from 3, cancel from 4, 40 10 times, 12 3 times. So 10 ratio 3. Now C part, age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. Age of father after 10 years, 42 plus 10, 52 years. Age of son after 10 years, 14 plus 10, 24 years. Therefore, ratio of their age 52/24. So, cancel from 4, 52 13 times, 24 6 times. 13 ratio 6. D bar, age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old. When father was 30 years old, that is 12 years ago. Then was son 14 minus 12, 2 years ago. Therefore, the ratio of their age is 30/2. Now cancel from 2, 30, 15 times, 2, 1 times, 15 ratio 1. So student, exercise 12.1 is complete. Next video we will start 12.2. Thank you.